Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. Okay na? So see here, already 9 classes are completed. What is the running topic sir? Locus. Okay na? So last class 4th problem completed. Now 5th problem. Same that type of question. See the 5th question. Find the equation of the locus of a point. The sum of whose distances from 0, 2 and 0, -2 is 6. The sum of whose distances from which 2 points are 0, 2 and 0, -2 is 6. Okay na? So see the solution. Here we are taking first let P is equal to x by B any point on the locus. P is equal to x by B any point on the locus. This is the common step for each and every problem. Okay now? So next we are taking given points sum. What are the given points sir? Yes, given points. A is equal to 0, 2. B is equal to 0, -2. Okay now? The sum of whose distances is what is given sir? 6. Sum of whose distance means from the point P to A and P to B. P to A plus P to B is equal to 6. By given condition, what is the given condition sir? By given condition, the sum of whose distances from A, B is nothing but PA plus PB is equal to 6. So if you are identifying our given geometrical condition, you can do this problem very easy. Just only first we are identifying our given geometrical condition. Okay now? PA plus PB is equal to 6. See here, for our convenience this one we are writing PA is equal to 6 minus PB. Okay now? PA is equal to 6 minus PB. Next we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So that is nothing but here PA whole square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. Okay now? PA square is equal to 6 square. So A minus B whole square. 6 square is equal to 36 plus PB whole square. 2AB, 2 into 6 12 minus 12 into PB. Okay now? Here 36 plus PB square minus 12 PB. Here PA square is there. Here we can write 12 PB is equal to 36 plus PB whole square minus of PA whole square. 12 PB is equal to 36 plus PB whole square minus PA whole square. So we know the distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. By using of that condition, we can find the distance between the 2 points. There is already square is there, that's why no need of writing under root. There is square is there, that's why here look, observe this one. Distance between A, B is equal to what is the formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus squaring on both sides, what is the value? AB whole square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus
y2 minus y1 whole square.
That's why here no need of writing under root. Square root to cancel. Okay now? See here next we are continuing this one. Here 12 PB is equal to 36 plus PB whole square minus PA square. So we know that P is equal to what is the value? X, Y. A is equal to 0, 2. B is equal to 0, -2. So we are not substituting this one. There is not square value. That's why 12 PB we are writing as it is. Okay now? Here we are writing 12 PB is equal to 36 plus PB whole square. P equal to x, y, B equal to 0, -2. So there is nothing but here PB square x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of -2 y plus 2 here y plus 2 whole square. See the value of PB square minus pa square. P equal to x comma y, a equal to 0 comma. That's why x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay now? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. 12 pb is equal to 36 plus x minus 0 is nothing but x square. Y plus 2 whole square is there, y square plus 4y plus 4. Y square plus 4y plus 4 minus of this one, x minus 0 is nothing but x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Okay na? Here 12 pb is equal to 36 plus x square plus y square 4y plus 4. Here minus x square minus y square plus 4y minus 4. Here plus x square minus x square cancel. Plus y square minus y square cancel. Plus 4 minus 4 also cancel. Here 12 pb is equal to 36 plus 4y plus 4y 8y. 12 pb is equal to 36 plus 8y. So these two terms we can take the common. 8 is the common value.
Yes.
8 we cannot take. 4 we are taking common. 4. Okay na? 8 4 is 32 only. That's why we are taking the common 4. So 12 pb is equal to 4 we are taking the common. 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 pb is equal to 9 plus 2y. Then after again we are doing squaring on both sides. Again here also we are doing squaring on both sides. There is nothing but 3 pb whole square. 9 pb square. B square is equal to 9. 9 into pb square. So 9 plus 2y whole square. So 9 square ante 81 plus 2y whole square 4y square. 2 into 9 18. 18 into 2 36 plus 36y. Okay now? Now we are substituting the value pb. Pb whole square. P equal to x comma y. B is equal to 0 comma minus 2. So if you are substituting pb square value and simplify this one, we get the required locus equation. Okay now? Every locus can be described by its algebraic equation. Okay now? First all of you note down clearly. So dear students, must and should maintain the payload book. Let's see here continuation amma. See what is the 9 into pb whole square is equal to 81 plus 4y square plus 36y. So we know that p is equal to clearly x comma y. B is equal to, what is the value of b sir? 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. That is pb. So 9 into pb square. Here x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 is nothing but y plus 2 whole square is equal to 81 plus 4y square plus 36y. Okay now? So 9 into x minus 0 is nothing but x square plus y plus 2 whole square y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 81 plus 4y square plus 36y. So now this value multiplied inside 9 into x square 9x square plus 9y square 9 into 4 36y 36 is equal to 81 plus 4y square plus 36y. Here 36y cancel. The constant values we are taking right side, remaining values we are taking the left side. Okay now? Here 9x square plus 9y square minus 4y square is equal to 81 minus 36. Okay now? Here 9x square plus 9y square minus 4y square is equal to 5y square is equal to 81 minus 36 is equal to 45. 81 minus 36 is nothing but 45. So this is nothing but both are divided with 45. 9x square by 45 plus 5y square by 45 is equal to 1. 9 ones are 9 5s are 5 ones are 5 9s are. See here, x square by 5 plus y square by 9. X square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay now, is the required locus. Okay now, therefore x square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Is the required locus. Required locus. Okay now, all of you know clearly. This is our required locus. Every locus can be described by its algebraic equation. So see the next question. So find the equation of locus of P if A equal 2 comma 3, B is equal 2 comma minus 3 and PA plus PB is equal to 8. PA plus PB is equal to 8 is the given geometrical condition. So previous problem and this problem also same process. Okay, see here, see the solution. Here we are taking let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here given points. What are the given points, sir? Given points. A is equal to 2 comma 3. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. A is equal to 2 comma 3. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. PA plus PB is equal to what is given, sir? 8. Here given condition. What is the given condition, sir? Here given condition. PA plus PB is equal to 8. Here also we are doing same. PA is equal to 8 minus PB. So next we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That is nothing but here PA whole square is nothing but PA square is equal to 8 minus PB whole square. PA square is equal to 8 minus PB whole square. There is nothing but PA whole square is equal to 8 square 64 plus PB whole square minus 2 into 8 is equal to 16 PB. So this is equal to, we can write 16 PB is equal to 64 plus PB whole square minus PA whole square. 16 PB is equal to 64 plus PB whole square minus PA whole square. Okay now? Now we are substituting the values. P is equal to what is the number? X comma y. A is equal to what is the value of A, sir? 2 comma 3. What is the value of B? 2 comma minus 3. Now we are substituting the values. 16 PB is equal to 16 PB is equal to 64 plus PB whole square. Here x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3. Y plus 3 whole square. This is the point B. Minus PA square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now we are simplifying this one. Okay now? Here observe this one. 16 PB is equal to 64 plus x minus 2 whole square. Here also what is this, sir? X minus 2 is there. Here x minus 2 whole square plus here y plus 3 whole square. This minus will directly multiply to the inside. Minus of x minus 2 whole square minus of y minus 3 whole square. Here plus x minus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square cancel. There is y plus 3 there is minus y plus 3. These two values are not cancellable. There is y plus 3 is there is y minus 3 is there. Okay. here 16 PB is equal to 16 PB is equal to what is the number? 64 plus 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Here y square plus 6y plus 9 minus of here y minus 3 whole square, y square minus 6y plus 9 minus of y square minus 6y plus 9. Okay now? Here 16 PB is equal to 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 minus y square plus 6y minus 9. Okay now? Plus y square minus y square plus 9 minus 9 cancel. 16 PB is equal to 64 plus 6y plus 12y. Okay now? So here we are taking which one, sir? Which value is the common value? 4. Okay now? 4 we are taking the common value. 4 is the number. Okay now? Sir, 16 4 is 64. 14 6 is so 16 4 is 64. Okay now? So here 16 PB is equal to 4 we are taking the common. 4 16 is the plus 3y. 4 1 is the 4 4 is. Here 4 PB is equal to 16 plus 3y. Okay now? Again we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay now? Here 16 PB whole square. Whole square is nothing but 16 PB whole square. Here we can write 16 plus 3y whole square. 16 plus 3y whole square. Here 16 PB whole square. 16 squares are 256 plus 3y whole square 9y square. 16 into 3y 48y. So 48 into 2 that's the one 96. Okay na? 96y. 2 into 16 and 32. 32 into 3 96.
Yes.
96y. Okay na? Here see this one. So this is the 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. So now we are substituting here p equal to x comma y and b equal to 2 comma minus 3. We are substituting 2 comma minus 3 and simplifying that value, we get the answer. Okay na? All of you note down this one first. Write note down. So now we are continuing the problem. 16 into PB whole square is equal to 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. So we know the values of P. P equal to x comma y. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Here P is equal to x comma y. B is equal to 2 comma minus 3. 16 into PB whole square. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus of minus 3. Y plus 3 whole square is equal to 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. Here 16 into this value we are expanding. X square minus 4x plus 4. Okay now? So next y square plus 6y plus 9. Y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. Now this value multiplied with the inside. 16x square. 16 into 4. 64x. Okay. Plus 64 plus 60y square. Okay now? 16 into 6. 96. Okay na? 16 into 6. 96y. 16 into 9. 144. is equal to 256 plus 9y square plus 96y. Here 96y cancel. Okay now 96y cancel. So there is x term, this 64x we are writing as it is. Okay now 64x we are writing as it is. Next see here. So 16x square. Here 16x square, 64x. This one we are simplifying this one. Here there is only x square term is there. 16x square plus 16y square. There is right side, what is the 9 plus y, 9y square. We are taking left side, 9y square. 16x square plus 16y square minus 9y square. Here what is the remaining value? Minus 64x. Okay, now minus 64x. Here 144 plus 64. How much them? 208 is them. 144 plus 64. What is the value? 208 plus 208 is equal to what is the value? 256. That's 144. 16 4s are 44. Sir, 64. Okay, now 16 4s are 64. So 69 is 144. 144 plus 64. What is the value? 208. 208 is equal to what is the value? 256. Here 16x square plus 16y square minus 9y square. 7y square minus 64x is equal to, otherwise we are taking left side, 208 minus 256 is equal to 0. Okay now? Here we can write 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x. 208 minus 256 is equal to what is the value? Minus 48 is equal to 0. So this is our required locus. 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 is equal to 0 is the required locus. Is the all of you note down clearly. So now continuing the next problem. Seventh one. A of 5 comma 3, B of 3 comma minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9 and ABM. See the PAB. Area of this triangle is what is given, sir? 9 square units. Here we are taking P is equal to x comma y. A is equal to what is the number? 5 comma 3. B is equal to 3 comma minus 2. What is given, sir? Area of triangle PAB is what is given? 9 is given. Okay na? So same here we are doing area of triangle PAB is 9, our given geometrical condition. By using of that condition we are simplifying our problem. So what is the common step, sir? Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Okay na? Here given points. What are the given points, sir? Here given points. A is equal to 5 comma 3. B is equal to 3 comma minus 2. These two are the given points. Okay na? So what is the given condition? Here given condition. What is our given geometrical condition, sir? Here area of triangle which is, sir? PAB is equal to 9 square units. So area is always we are taking square units. Okay na? Area of triangle PAB is nothing but 9 square units. So here we are using area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula. So do you have an idea of area of triangle? That is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Your muscle should maintain one cyclic order. 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, now x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now we are using this formula. This is the formula only. Okay, now we are applying this formula, area of the triangle form. Here P is equal to whatever x comma y, A is equal to 5 comma 3, B is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Okay, now this is we are taking x1 y1, x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Now we are substituting these all values in this equation. Okay, now and so area of this triangle is what is given, sir? 9 is given. So here we are writing 1 by 2 into x1 is equal to x2. You take now y2 minus y3. Y2 is nothing but 3 minus y3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus x2. What is x2, sir? 5. x2 into y3 minus y1 minus 2 minus y plus x3. x3 is equal to 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 is equal to y minus 3. Okay, now is equal to 9. Already this area is what is given, sir? 9 is given. That's why we are taking right side 9. So there is 2 is there. 2 into 9 18. Okay, now modulus of x into 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So this value multiplied to inside 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 5y. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y into minus 9. 3y 3 into minus 3 minus 9 is equal to 9 into 2. There is 2 is there. 2 we are multiplied to the right side. Okay, na? So now we are simplifying this one. Modulus of x into 5. 5x minus 10. So minus 5y plus 3y minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 18. Okay, now see here. Here we are simplifying this one. 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to 18. Here left side what is that, sir? Modulus. If we are eliminating modulus, must and should right side plus or minus. Otherwise, if we are eliminating modulus, left side modulus, right side modulus is there. In that case, only we are doing squaring on both sides. Otherwise, only left side modulus is there. Must and should, if we are eliminating modulus, right hand side we are applying plus or minus. Observe this one. Here we are writing here modulus of what is the 5x. This one is there. Here 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18. Here there are two cases are arising. Okay, now see the two cases. See here. Here 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus 18. Here 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to minus 18. Okay, now so this is nothing but here we are simplifying this one. 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 is equal to 0. Here 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. Okay, now 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. Here 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18 equal to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, required locus, here multiply these two values on here. Required locus, just only we are writing like this one. 5x minus 2y minus 37 into here 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So no need of multiplication. So write just like this one. Okay, na? So this is nothing but this is the required locus. 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 is the required locus. Okay, now So next class will be continued tomorrow. All of you write on this one.